How to make money on YouTube. Yes, without the fluff. The social media platform is getting bigger each day. On several blogs, you see many people talking about how they made money on the different social media platforms including YouTube. Though most people would think that it is impossible, there are ways on how to make money on YouTube. Though many would jump at the prospect of being paid six figures earning each month, it may take a long time with your effort. Making money on YouTube takes time as one may need to do some things to be able to make that money. Don't let anyone tell you different. We have tried to look at some of the tips you may have to adopt to be able to earn from this social media site. Following them may just help unlock that desire you have had for a long time and build you an income stream that may help you retire early. Register on YouTube. The registration process on YouTube is creating a channel. If you already know this, that's fine too. This is for those that don't know. YouTube channels are just Google accounts and a link to your Google account if you have one. If you have no Google account, you may need to create one. In fact, the moment you decide to register, your presence on the tube can be felt if you make it a habit of having regular posts on the channel. This is a must-do type of things. Develop content, upload and monetize it. You may have some old content on your blogs that you want to turn into videos. Such content may be created using the Content Samurai, which helps in converting old blog posts or any articles content into amazing profit-pulling videos. You will also have unique videos which can attract more traffic and viewers. The process of content development also entails having individual links and keywords which can make people reach your channel quickly. Additionally, you may have a system where you have some products that you sell and promote on YouTube. The additional thing with the content is that it needs to be creative and eye-catching. Some people have made it through taking unique stories in the form of tutorials, or at times they upload the different shows on their channel. Work on an idea. You may have some though at something which you can model into a brand that sells. Working on it is the only secret sauce with YouTube. Starting off takes more than procrastinating, as the idea could just be the real thing many are yearning to watch. Have subscriptions. The YouTube subscriptions increase the viewership of the channel. These subscriptions can increase through marketing of the video channel in the different social media sites. Linking the blog sites or your personal website to the subscriptions will encourage more viewing. Building a large subscriber base may also involve liaising with others whom you promote their products. Whatever you develop needs to be short and does not infringe on the right of those whom you push to avoid issues within the channel. Conclusion. The majority of the content that you can upload on YouTube is mainly in the form of videos or a tutorial with voiceovers in the form of videos. It is imperative for the person yearning to make money on YouTube to be on the alert, with a good camera ready to strike on any exciting happening around. The internet is full of business opportunities, therefore you should be careful because you may miss your chance to earn extra money online. I highly recommend you check out these two websites to make money on YouTube and make it that much easier to profit. 1. How to make money on YouTube with no filming, no marketing and no website. 2. Content Samurai 7-day free trial. Create an unlimited number of traffic-pumping videos using the world's fastest and most intelligent video creation system for 7 days, completely free. For details, click the links in the description box below this video today. Please share, like and subscribe to this video channel.